Last night I believe my poor little dogo, Nala, had a dream. Then I noticed her sleeping soundly, with her little paws twitching. Her expression suggested that she was looking for something thrilling. I realized she was eager for an adventure when she woke up.
Let's go, guys. Something new today. I thought I'm going on a little hike, like 4 kilometers I think, until the first waterfall. So today I'm not alone. Huh? Say hello. Hello? Yeah. So I'm going with my dog Nala. Thought it's really nice. If I walk here I can take her. So let's see what we get here. The way already go up like this, see? But at least we have a little bit of shadow here, so it's better. So let's go. This is actually the road here, and it's a good part of the road. I was here with a scooter before, so I drove already all this way up. It's not so easy, so that's why I decided we go for a walk. Also good for her, and yeah, it's really nice weather. So the sun is shining and we have a little bit of wind, but it's quite nice, so it's not too hot. And yeah, looking forward to take a swim, because it's really hot. So now, one step to another, we're going out in the middle of nowhere. Look, and see, and it's really hot. I thought it's not so hot, so I will already make a break soon, somewhere in the shadow. Also give Nala something to drink. I drink some water. There down, it's also like, I think we can go swimming there, but yeah, take the way here up, because I want to go more further and not just here. So continue a little bit, and I hope there is a place with some shadow soon. Finally, I was looking for this side way here. Normally we need to go there more, go to the waterfall, but I want to go here first, because I know what is there, just a few meters. So let me show you. This is already a really nice spot in the shadow, but I hope it's looking so nice like before, but I wanted to go here. Take this side, because it's much easier for her to go down there, and I don't want to walk there. So I will take a dip right there somewhere. So slippery and cold, but it's really nice. Not hot anymore. What do you say? Hot? Huh? You only stand there. So, let's relax here a little bit.
After a refreshing dip in the water, I found the perfect spot to sit back and relax. With Nala by my side, we shared some snacks and sipped on cool drinks, soaking in the peace and quiet of the moment.
I don't know if it's small little village maybe. Nala, here. She wants to get the chickens. She's hunting everything. That's why I cannot release her. Everywhere I always need to look, or she run after something. And I'm pretty sure she also would go for a snake, huh? Then maybe she dies. It's poison snake and get bitten or something. At least now after the dip in the water and wet clothes, it's much better. More fresh. Now it goes up. Hmm? Hey, slowly. Slowly. Promising now. You're almost there. But now, I don't know where we have to go. Here. So we made it. There. Just need to walk here now, like this, and then we can go there, I think. So let's see, there's like a few more. Come here. Come. Come here. It's water. Come here. Careful. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Elevator for Mrs. Mrs. can only jump if no one is there. So I'm just arrived. I took a swim. I don't know if it's recorded because the battery was empty. So yeah, but I took a swim. Nala is there at the back in the shadow, eating, drinking. She already ran away, and then there are some other dogs. And if I'm there, there was no problem. But I think when she runs there alone, then they start barking and fighting, so she ran away. That's why I put her on the leash now, in the shadow. She can relax a little bit. I relax a little bit. Okay, so I left on my way back now, because I need like 1 hour, I think, or 1.5 hours. I just go down here and realize that it's always harder to go down than go up. Same when I'm climbing somewhere up, it's always easy, and then when I go down, sometimes I ask myself how I go down there or how I got up there. So that's why it's always easier to go up than down. Yeah. Do you agree? We're back down almost. And I hope there's signal there so I can get a tuk-tuk. Another. Or you want to walk more? Sleepy, huh? It's already anytime we stop just a second, she already lay down, so I think she also wants to sleep. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and leave a like and a comment. See you next time.